My grandma's notebook revealed this secret to me. Just add laundry detergent to boiling water and the effect will be amazing. Even the toughest stains on towels and dishcloths will come off easily. This trick takes only a moment. First, prepare a pot and pour in about 1 quart of water. Cover it with a lid, bring the water to a boil, then reduce the heat. Our first magic ingredient is baking soda. Add 2 tablespoons to the pot. The next one is laundry detergent, also 2 tablespoons. Stir everything well. Now place the dirty towels in the pot, mix them a little, cover, and let them simmer for about 10 minutes on low heat. After that, pour everything into a bowl. Take it to the sink and rinse the towels under running water. Once you rinse them thoroughly, put them in the washing machine as usual. After the wash, look closely. The stains are gone, even the worst ones. I hope this helps, and that you'll start using this trick too.
The underwear will regain its snowy white color without the use of chlorine bleach. Pour hot water, very hot, into a bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of baking soda to it. This is a commonly known product for its whitening properties. If you don't have baking soda, you can use 3 or 4 packages of baking powder. Baking powder is a mixture with soda in it, so it has a weaker effect than soda alone. Also, add 2 tablespoons of salt to the water. Salt whitens and removes stains. Our grandmothers already used it for this purpose when doing laundry. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of laundry detergent, preferably designed for white clothes. Mix everything with a spoon or spatula. Immerse the cotton underwear, soak it thoroughly, and leave it for at least 20 minutes. Take it out of the bowl and put it in the washing machine as usual with other white items and wash it. Delicate lingerie, lace panties, and bras will look like new. You can also whiten them with another home method. In a bowl of warm water, not boiling, add baking soda and laundry detergent for white clothes in the same proportion. It can be 2 tablespoons for a smaller amount of items. Dissolve them well and soak the lingerie. Leave it to soak for about 20 minutes and wash it as usual in the washing machine on the Delicate Fabrics program. After washing, you will notice the difference. The lingerie will be much whiter. How to wash curtains to make them white again? After a few weeks, curtains turn gray and lose their snowy white color, especially curtains hanging in the kitchen and dining room. Not only dust and dirt settle on them, but also grease. If you don't have time to soak them before washing in the machine, prepare a sock. Put 2 tablespoons of salt in it, add a little dishwashing liquid. But not too much, so that there is not too much foam. Throw this salt and dishwashing liquid bundle into the washing machine with the curtains. Add a laundry capsule as usual, and pour a little vinegar into the fabric softener compartment. This will refresh the whiteness and help remove strong stains. Curtains will be like new after washing. However, you will achieve better results if you soak the curtains before washing. Pour 2 tablespoons of salt into a bowl of warm water. For a better effect, adding at least 1 tablespoon of baking powder is sufficient. Instead of baking powder, you can use baking soda, depending on what you have in your kitchen cabinet. Soak the curtains in this water, and then wash them as usual in the washing machine. You'll get rid of dirt, and the curtains will be snowy white again after just 1 wash.
Yellow armpit stains will disappear. All you need is a brilliant homemade stain remover. Apply it to the shirt under the arms, and the yellow stains will vanish. See how to make a sweat stain remover. This will be your new ally in the fight against stains. Not only does it work effectively, but it also leaves a fresh scent and is environmentally friendly. To start, you need a tablespoon of baking soda. Put it in a bowl. Baking soda neutralizes odors and absorbs oils. Add a tablespoon of salt. Salt has antibacterial properties and absorbs moisture. These are the ingredients that effectively remove sweat stains. Add 2 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is an excellent stain remover due to its bleaching and disinfectant properties. Pour in 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Vinegar acts as a natural disinfectant and neutralizes unpleasant odors. Simply mix these ingredients to get a strong stain remover. It will tackle even the toughest sweat stains. Now apply the mixture directly to the stains. Every stain must be covered with the mixture. Leave it on for half an hour, or even longer. After this time, soak the shirt in a bowl of hot water. You'll see the stains disappear. Finally, just wash the shirt with the rest of your white laundry. This way, your favorite clothes will look like new. Give your clothes a second life with this simple solution. Not many people know this trick for washing a comforter, and it's a shame because it really makes life easier. Washing a comforter can be one of the most challenging household chores. Its large size often makes it difficult to clean thoroughly, but there's a simple trick that helps, and it involves an unusual item. Lay it flat on the floor, fold it in half lengthwise, and then roll it up like a fan. This way, it will easily fit into the drum. Comforters are best washed about once every 6 months in warm water, around 81 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, using a gentle or comforter cycle with an appropriate spin speed. To boost cleaning power and remove dirt and germs, toss a regular shopping bag into the drum. It can be any lightweight plastic bag, even one from your groceries. While it may sound odd, it helps the detergent foam up more, allowing the suds to reach every corner of the comforter. The result is fabric that's more thoroughly rinsed, fresher, and free of unpleasant odors, leaving your comforter perfectly clean and soft to the touch. Your laundry will smell amazing for up to a year. All you need are a few ingredients you probably already have at home. Even after pulling clothes out of the closet, you'll notice their beautiful fresh scent. Grab a bowl or small container. Add a generous amount of ice cubes. The ice melts slowly, which helps gradually release the fragrances. This allows the ingredients to absorb better into the fabric. Next, add a good amount of laundry detergent powder. It acts as a scent carrier, releasing fragrance with every movement of the fabric. Add a capful of your favorite fabric softener to the bowl, then pour in even more softener. Mix everything thoroughly. The ice should be well coated with the mixture. This is important. Place your clothes or other textiles like towels or bedding into the washing machine drum. My neighbors always ask how I do it when I hang my laundry out on the balcony. Pour the contents of the bowl directly into the drum. Start the wash cycle as usual. Your clothes will come out smelling incredibly fresh and fragrant for a long time. A homemade trick that works better than many expensive scented products. Do not hang wet clothes this way. You can fit many more pieces of clothing in the dryer. Most people hang clothes on the metal crossbars of the dryer. This way, only 5 shirts fit on one wing. It turns out that many more can fit on this part of the dryer. Take some clothespins and grab the shirt by the bottom, then fasten it across the wing. Next, hang another shirt in the same way. With this method, you can hang up to 10 shirts. Hang them side by side on the lower rack. Not only will you use space more efficiently, but the clothes will also dry faster. Fabrics hung like this have much better airflow. Thanks to this drying method, ironing is also much more enjoyable. Clothes straighten out under their own weight.